Welcome to RBO. Today we're going to be going over the Gatorade Fishing Kit. A very basic kit anyone can put together at home with very basic supplies. First off, what you need: Gatorade bottle. Rip off your label. Get yourself some fishing line. Wrap it around there a good amount of times, or how much ever you want. And find a way to get it stuck. I just use duct tape to keep mine. And you can see there's a nice good open mouth that's bigger than that spice kit. So I can fit a lot more if I can get my little fake bait out. And I'll show you all the stuff I have in here so you can get an idea of what you can fit in here. As you can see, I have a little bit of everything in here. I want to make sure I can fit everything in here. There's some fake lures, some fake bait. There are hooks, or sinkers, or bobbers, and just pretty much everything you need to fish with. And it all fits in a Gatorade bottle. It's what, $3? You have a reel and a tackle box. Where could you go wrong with that? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I know this is a very short video, but it's just a very basic kit and I wanted to do a video on it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.